Hey guys, today we're making goulash. This is a nice hearty dish for all occasions and easy to make during the week. So let's get started. We'll start by dicing a medium-sized onion and mincing 2 cloves of garlic, as is tradition. A regular dice is just fine for this application. Now onto the stove. In a large saucepan, get a pound of ground beef browning. Add a pinch of salt and pepper. You can also use a stock pot or a larger vessel for this. And I'm using a large serving fork to break this up. I find it works really well, but a spatula or something similar works just fine too. Make sure your heat isn't too high for this. A lower heat will help brown the meat without overheating it and making it tough and clumped together. So keep breaking it up as it cooks. I like to get mine nice and fine. Once the meat's just barely pink, add the diced onion. And of course, another pinch of salt and pepper, seasoning in layers. Stir that in and let it saute for another 5 to 10 minutes. And now we can add the minced garlic and get that mixed in. We'll let this go for another minute or so just to warm up the garlic. And now onto our herbs. 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning, a half a tablespoon of seasoned salt, and 1.5 tablespoons of soy sauce. Mix those in, and we're going to let these spices warm up for another few minutes. Now add a 15-ounce can of diced tomatoes. We'll just pick that rogue tomato skin out of there. And a 15-ounce can of tomato sauce, and 1.5 cups of water. Give that a nice stir. And finally, add a bay leaf just for some extra flavor. We'll cover and simmer this for around 20 minutes to let the flavors develop. And after 20 minutes, we're ready to add our macaroni. You can use elbows, large or small, or whatever type of pasta you like. I'm using 1 cup of elbow macaroni. Mix those in and put the lid back on. And we're going to let this simmer for another 25 minutes or until the pasta is cooked to your liking. You can see the pasta soaked up a lot of the liquid, and we have a nice consistency now. And don't forget to remove the bay leaf. And finally, a taste test for salt. Mine needed a healthy pinch and also some pepper while we're at it. So we'll mix that in and we'll give this another quick check. Perfect. And now we can enjoy our delicious goulash. This makes excellent leftovers too. So I hope you give this a try, and I'll see you in the next one.